Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about bleach. All right, bleach is something I think every household in America has, but there are a lot of things about bleach people don't know. Bleach, besides just being added to your laundry, can be used to disinfect surfaces. They can be used very carefully and very judiciously by those that have training to help remove funguses and stuff off your feet. Like I said, I'm not a doctor on this one. Check with someone who knows how to use it. Because basically what bleach is an extreme corrosive. That's why the drain cleaners and stuff smell like bleach, because, hey, it has the same chemical in it. So you want to be very careful when using bleach. How many of you ever used it and you're pouring it at the laundry there, you go to dump it in and stuff and it splatters a little bit. Next thing you know, you got white spots on your nice, pretty shirt, or worse, you have holes in it where the bleach is eating away the cotton. So that's one of the things you got to be careful of working with bleach. Now, bleach can also be used with certain materials to create some very nasty stuff. So you don't want to let your kids play around with it. Now, I'm not going to tell you what the proportions are, but if you mix bleach and ammonia together in different proportions, you get different things. It used to be back in the 50s and early 60s, there were a lot of housewives that died in the bathroom when they had poured bleach in the toilet trying to get it clean, and they add some ammonia to it, and it put off chlorine gas and killed them. Now, scientists use bleach and ammonia to create rocket fuel, hydrazine. And there are other chemicals, depending on the proportions, that you can make with it. I'm telling you, don't do it unless you're trained and you have a laboratory to do it in. But if you do it wrong, sometimes you get an instant explosion. So don't mix bleach with other chemicals. But you need bleach around the house for your laundry and other household cleaning. All right. So with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't play with bleach around trying to make stuff. And keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video.